Hi, Damian from Grafico. I'm here at the Build and Design Centre at the Grafico Walls showroom. Now, you've built that beautiful outdoor space, the pool, the cabana, all those sort of areas, and you've been left with an enormous amount of blank spaces, blank walls, blank fences, and so forth. What do you do with them? Well, it's pretty difficult to obviously introduce some graphic there normally, but have you seen our custom print mosaic tiles? They're perfect for outdoor areas, and up north here in Queensland, we're actually putting them in outdoor areas more than anywhere other space around Australia. So, how do they work? What are they? They are a custom printed mosaic tile, but instead of making that out of delicate glass and ceramic, they're made from a very lightweight resin product. So super thin and lightweight. Have a look at that. They're 2 mil thick. The print is from the backside, so we can't scratch the ink off, anything like that. So they're perfect to go around swimming pools and other areas where sort of harsh chemicals and things get put on them. We use these regularly in commercial bathrooms, so they're hardy and they're safe to use in all sorts of different spaces. They're fully customizable, so you can introduce your own photo, you can get our design team to design something for you, or you can do something simple like green walls. Zero maintenance green walls, might I add, no water required, super easy. You apply them just like normal tiles where you glue and then you add in your grout, and of course you choose the grout color of your choice. So very popular product and a great one for those blank outdoor spaces.